Hey, what's going on, guys? Brock back again with another sneaker unboxing. Last week I showed the Anta Gordon Haywards and the Anta Shock the Game 4.0s. Today I have another unboxing that is another shoe that's from a Chinese company, and this shoe is another one that I was really excited about seeing in hand. And the differences between like the Antas and the Li-Nings, it seems like there's a lot of similarities in terms of the construction and the ways the materials that are used and that kind of stuff. So I was really surprised with both of them once I got them in hand. So I wanted to do a quick little review and show you guys some detailed shots of all those little things that they incorporated into the shoe. So this right here is the Speed 6 Premium from Li-Ning, and being in Portland, one of the things that I was kind of always drawn to was watching the Blazers play. So seeing CJ McCollum wear this shoe on court in his own PE colorways and some GR colorways was something that made me a little more interested in these shoes. But I think this shoe has a really unique look. I like the color blocking on this one in particular, which is why I went ahead and picked up from Amazon. And if you're kind of patient, sometimes the prices fluctuate a little bit on Amazon for whatever reason, so you can pick them up when the price is a little bit lower. But this shoe has a lot of cool details. The knit, first of all, is something I was really surprised with when I first saw it. It's a really nice knit, a lot of nice texture to it, and it seems like it's protected in the right areas, and it has a stretch in the right areas as well, which is something that with knit it can be a little bit tricky to get the function and the fit perfectly aligned the way you want it to. So I was really surprised about that and thought that was a nice touch. It has the logo here on the toe that's hot melted over top, and then as you work your way around, the biggest highlight of the shoe to me is this piping that runs all the way around from the lateral to the medial. It's something that I don't see on a lot of pairs of shoes, but I thought was a nice little touch, and it doesn't really add a lot of function, but it does add a little bit of style. As we work our way around to the heel, on the heel here there's a nice little text that says "Speed is our constant pursuit, Li-Ning Speed 6 Premium." And then as we work our way all the way around to the very back of the heel, on this heel panel there's 1 through 6, and then under the number 6 there's a little dot that would indicate that it's the 6th version of the shoe in the line. And then also here on the medial side there's another set of 6 stars, which again, same thing, and then also on the sock liner they have the 6 stars as well. And then here on the tongue, or the tongue area, nice little embroidery on the panel, or this patch, and then it says Speed 6 Premium here. So this shoe is something I was really excited to see in hand. Now that they're available on Amazon, they make it a little bit easier for people to pick up, and I thought these were really comfortable. I haven't played in them yet, but I do want to try and test them out on court, see what they're like. It seems like they would be a good shoe to hoop in. So let me know below if you guys would pick up something like Li-Nings or Antas and wear them on court or off court. What do you guys think about some of these other basketball companies that are kind of making their way into the market? And hopefully I'll see you guys again here soon. I'm going to try and do some more unboxings that are a little bit off the beaten path, something you don't see all the time, or a little more unusual. That way you guys can get a sense of some other shoes that you can add to your collection that you don't have to spend a ton of money for. So thanks so much, and we'll see you guys again soon.